10 versus 7, 6, 7. Sumabay pa sisyon? Kala ko ba inano mo sisyon? Ay, jumble. First ball possession. White. 10. Jersey number 28, Garcia. Scouting the floor. Penetrate, engaging. And traveling violation. Turnover. Jersey number 77. Point guard, nagbaba ng bola. Looking for a pass on the left wing. On the side of the ring. Defensive rebound 5. Para sa White. Kaparal. Hinaharas ka agad ng dalawa. On the left wing, atake sa baseline. Connects 2 points. First blood. 2-0. Jersey number 77, nagbaba ng bola for Black Team. On the right wing, aim for 3. Air ball. And Jersey number 7 controls the ball. Pass 1-on-1. Drives through. Connects 2 points off the glass. 4-0. Jersey number 7, 57. Paasa lang yan on the left wing, switch back. Jersey number 77, engaging. Paasa lang. The left wing, shot lock, down to 10. Inward pass. To make, shot lock, winding down, kick out. Steal. Pass break, breakaway kagad 27, all alone. Easy 2 points, it's 6-0. Proper inbound. Jersey number 77. Penetrate. Pasa lang yan. Aim for 2. Air ball outbound. Taki 5 Kapiral. Pasa na yan sa 28. Garcia to Capiral. Switch back. Penetrate. Kick out. On the right wing. Penetrate. Drop pass. Loses the ball. Outbound. Turnover. Turnover tayo. Out of bound. Turnover for Black. Garcia receiving the ball. Para sa Black, penetrate. Drop pass lang yan. Sa dos, switch. Bound in, connects 2 points. 6-2. Black down by 2 ball possession. Pass to Capiral. Penetrate. Up. Hook shot. No basket. Teardrop. Crossover move ng doble 7 yan. Drop pa sa 11. Using the glass. Wala pa rin. Defensive rebound. 27. Pasa yan sa 28. Garcia. Crossover move all the way to the hoop. And traveling violation. Turnover. Ayan. Jersey number 77. Crossover move. Ipit. And traveling violation. Turnover. Taki si Capiral. Scouting the floor, orchestrating the play, setting up the play. On the left wing, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 9-2. Yaya. Surveying the floor. Pass on the left wing. Penetrate. A pull-up on the side of the ring. Pinapik ang bola. Another chance for Cabasyon. Tantino aim for 3 off the ring again. And Yaya drop pa sa 11. Layup. Shoot! Defensive rebound 69. Picks and pop. Denied. Block. Nakakuha pa ng dos yan. Binaksak kick doble 7. No basket. Kanila pa rin ang offensive rebound on the side. Right wing. No basket. Aim for 3. And jersey number 28 controls the board. Pass to Capiral. Crossover move all the way. No basket. Defensive rebound. Doble 7. Pass break na yan sa baliktarang numero. Atake sa baseline. Pinasa lang yan sa 11. And throws foul. Basket. 4-9. Awarded ang free throw. And 1. No basket. Ang bonus shot. Capiral controls the board. Didiskarte. Pinasak. Kick out lang yon. On the right wing. Off the ring. Ope. Nakakuha ng doble 7. Yaya. Pass break sa baliktaran. Breakaway ang 69. No basket again. Defensive rebound. Pass to Capiral. Sa White. Atake ngayon. Pass to jersey number 27. Hinaras. Steal. Breakaway on set. 2 and 1. Connects 2 points. Easy basket. 6-9. Substitution. Mandatory. Change goal. Mandatory substitution, correction. 5 minutes and 12 in this first period. 5 minutes and 12 remaining time in this first period. Jersey number 0 receiving the ball for White. Paasa lang niya sa 27. Switch back sa 0. Si jersey number 30 Hernandez. Air ball. Nakakuha pa rin sa ilalim ng G's and draws a foul. Reverse layup from jersey number 13. A push under the goal. Awarded ang free throw sa G's. First throw. Basket. Second throw. In and out. 1 out of 2 pero box out pa rin ng White. Pinasa is bad pass. Nakakuha na yung 26 yan. Didiskarte, atake sa baseline. Pinasa sa side. Steal. Pass break sa 30. Nagpapambol. Tinira na. Outbound. Turnover. Didiskarte ang block. Inward pass. Intercepted a bad pass. Atake all the way yung G's. Drop pass and draws a foul. A pass ball. Jersey number 26. Side baseline throw in. Para sa White. Shot lock down to 18. On the left wing. In and out. Aim for 3. Backs out yan para sa Black. Drive through. Drop pass lang sa bench. Yan. Teardrop. Short. Pass break sa 30. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Sarmiento. Paasa lang yan. On the left wing. Transition of play. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound ng 0. Hinaharas ka agad sa break na yan sa 0. Inward pass, deflected, steal. Atake ngayon ng block. 3 and 3. Pull up. Basket. 10-8. 2-point lead. White. Jersey number 0. Scouting the flow. Pass to jersey number 17. Drop pass lang sa baseline yan. Shoot. Defensive rebound. Para sa block. Pass break na yan. Atake ngayon. All the way. Reverse layup ng 7. Connects 2 points. Deadlock. First deadlock. 3 minutes and 8. In this first period. On the right wing, atake. On top of the key, inward pass sa 17, naharas ng dalawa. On the left wing, atake sa baseline. Shot clock winding down. Shot clock. Nothing but loss. Pass break sa po, intercept yan. Intercepted ng 30. Bad pass on the left wing, discard ang 0. Orchestrating the play. So jersey number 30, number 27 on the right wing, hinaharas, shot lock, counting down, cross court pass on the left wing, atake, engaging, a pull up, mid-range J, off the ring, nakuha ng 17, and draws a foul. Jersey number 7, awarded ang free throw. No basket first throw. 2 minutes and 12 in this first period. Second throw. 1 out of 2. And White breaks the tie. 11-10. An even score. Jersey number 9 scouting the floor. Pass to jersey number 13 on the left wing. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. And block. Grabs the lead. Change favor. 2-point lead for black team. Cabrera, pasa lang yan sa 30. On the right wing, aatake 27. No basket. Offensive rebound pa rin niya. Another kick out sa 30. Penetrate ang 30. Engaging, naharas. Almost a shot lock. Winding down. Shot lock violation. Turnover. A minute and 35. 11-13. Turnover yan. Atake ngayon. Stilos. Pasa sa 7. Naipit. Reverse. Basket. It's 2-0 run by block. A minute and 23. In this first period. Atake ang 30. Paas to Cabrera. Penetrate. Step back. Basket. 13-15. A minute to go in this first period. Sarmiento, pasa sa 9. Engaging. Oop. And blocking foul. Jersey number 13. 2017. Blocking foul. Shot lock, winding down. Shot lock! Shot lock violation, turnover. Less than a minute to go, 41 seconds in this first period. Less than a minute. Got the jersey number 13. Pasa na yan sa 0. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. And White grabs the lead. Change favor. 1-point lead, White. Sarmiento scouting the floor. Setting up the play. Pasa on the right wing. Attack sa baseline. And swabbling violation. Turnover. Dying seconds. 11.9 seconds. 11.9 seconds. Dying seconds. Shot lock up. Basket ba yun? No basket? Ano ba? Ano nyo ron? Oo, nag-reset ng 2 seconds eh. Teka muna, sandali sir. Wala na eh. Ha? Sir, ano ang decision nyo? Basket count? Okay, basket count? Anong score dyan? Second period. Block! Kala ko inano mo sesyon kanina. David receiving the ball. Scouting the floor. Pass to jersey number 77. On the left wing. Inward pass. Sa east. Penetrate. And draws a foul. From jersey number 11. Awarded ng free throw. Mihikaw. In and out, first throw, second throw. One out of two. 16-19. Doble sa ish nagbaba ng bola. Pasa sa 28 to Garcia. Switch back on the right wing. Transition of play. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound niya para sa block. Nandito sa east. Atake crossover move and foul. Blocking by jersey number 66. A blocking foul. Sideline throw in. David. Pass to jersey number 16 on the left wing. Shot lock down to 10. Drop pass lang kay David. Pull up. Air ball. Defensive rebound na 11. Pass break yan sa 28. Inward pass kay Caperal. Penetrate. Basket. Off the glass. 21-16. Kay doble 7. Si George down to 10. Yeah, penetrate. Crossover move, drop pass lang. Kumake sa baseline. Naipit. Shot lock. A pull up on the side. Basket. 21. 3-point lead. Para sa White. Kay jersey number 66. Pasa kay Caperal. On the left wing, air ball. And jersey number 0 controls the board. Atake 5, penetrate. No basket. And foul by jersey number 28. Basket, first throw. Second throw. One out of two. Backs out ng block and draws a foul from jersey number 16. Sa pagbabacks out. Atake na ngayon ang white. Jersey number 66. Paasa lang yan. Perimeter. Connects 2 points. Jersey number 21. 23. 19. 7 minutes and 50. Atake 0. On the shoulder. No basket. Offensive rebound 16. Drop pass sa 69. No basket. Defensive rebound Capiral. Hinaharap sa backcourt. Nangahasil ang 5 ron. Outbound, loses the ball. Turnover. Lakas mga hassle ng 5. Turnover. Bad pass. Atake doble sa east. 3-2 situation. All the way. No basket. Defensive rebound yan. Jersey number 0, jersey number 77. Pasa sa east. And traveling violation. Turnover. Kay Capiral. Para sa white. Hinaharas ng doble 7. Stolapus. On the right wing. Short. Aim for 3. Outbound. Turnover. 7 minutes remaining time. Atake yan 5. Para sa block. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock winding down and foul by jersey number 28 Garcia. 6 minutes and 42 in this first half. Shot lock winding down. Pinasa 69. Naipit. Shot lock. Block. Kuha 69. Breakaway ang doble sa east. Layup. Coast to coast. Connects 2 points. Yaya receiving the ball. Engaging. Side step. Basket. Step back. On the perimeter. 25-21. 2-ball possession advantage white. Shot lock down to 14. Taas to Capiral. Perimeter. No basket. Nothing but glass. Aatake ulit ang block. 3-2 situation. David. Pinasa bola. Steal. Ng doble sa east. Aatake nga. Inwa. Bad pass. 1-on-1. Pinasa lang niya 69, drop pass ulit 5, commit, fade away, no basket, off the ring. Nakakuha ni Capiral yung box out down. Atake Capiral, coast to coast, and foul, blocking by jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. First throw. Wala. Second throw. Wala pa rin. No conversion on a free throw. 5 minutes and 20. Hindi stop. Pinasa si David. Naka-screen si David. No basket. Tinapik ni David. Outbound. Mandatory substitution. 5 minutes and 9 in this first half. Turnover yan para sa white. Jersey number 0 receiving the ball for white. So Hernando. Pull up ng 17 sa side, no basket, and loose ball foul by jersey number 13. A loose ball foul. Shot clock reset to 14. Kick out. Pull up. Basket. Mid-range J. Basket. And 0. 28-21. 7-point lead White. Taki ngayon on the left wing. Short. Tinapik ang bola. Nakakuha ng dos. Binaksak sa baseline. On the side of the ring. And out. Turnover. Herrera receiving the ball for White. Si jersey number 13, Fernando. On the right wing, yung 27, oh! Traveling violation, na-rattle sa depensa, hesitate. And traveling violation, 4 minutes and 27 in this first half. Sakayang 9, pinasa sa 11. Outbound, loses the ball, turnover. 4 minutes and 17. Pasa on the left wing, Cabrera aim for 3, connects 3 points. 30-21. 31. Aim for 3 of the ring. Defensive rebound yan. Ng G's. Hinaharas. Na-retrieve pa rin ang bola. Penetrate ang G's all the way. And foul basket. Basket count and 1. Jersey number 9 yung sumabit. And 1. Short. Wala ang N1. Taki ang 9. Pasa lang yan sa dos. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 24-33. 9-point lead. White. 3 minutes and 25. Cabrera aim for 3. In and out. Last touch White. Nasa sa 9. On the left wing. Attack ngayon. Nagtambol. Pasa lang sa 7 yan. And traveling violation. Time out. Block. 3 minutes and 11. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 11. In this first half. Jersey number 27 receiving the ball para sa White. Point guard, nagbaba ng bola. Pinasa on the right wing. Jersey number 0, dinalik sa 27. Galik yan, switch back sa 0 on the corner, no basket. On the right corner and traveling violation, turnover. 2 minutes and 55. Sideline throw in para sa White. Fernando. Si Cabrera on the left wing, hinaharas, nakasundutan ng complete steal. Foul. Jersey number 30. Penalty situation. Block. Basket for throw. Second throw. Okay, 2 for 2. 26. Kake 27. On the right wing, pinasa sa 30. On the left wing, tinira na, outbound, turnover. 2 minutes and 33 seconds in this first up. Take Castillo. Yung naka-crossover, dinrapas lang yan sa 7. No basket. Shot lock down to 14. On the left, defensive rebound. All the coast to coast, connects 2 points yan. Off the glass, connects 2 points. Atake Ilano, drives through. And foul. Awarded ng free throw kay Ilano. First basket. 2 minutes na 5 in this first up. Second throw. 1 out of 2. Pass break sa 27 yan. Hinaharas ka agad ng 3. Pasa sa 30. On top of the key. In and out. Aim for 3. Outbound. Less than 2 minutes. 1 minute and 52 in this first half. Remaining time. 34. 27. Atake on si Ilano. Layup denied. Block. Pass break. Outbound. Turnover. Loses the ball. Hindi na na-receive yung pasa. Layo. On the left wing. Aim for 3. In and out. Tinapit ang bola. 9-7. A minute. Baba ng bola. Jersey number 30. Scouting the floor. Pass to Cabrera. On the left wing. Away screen, aim for 3. Oh, air ball. Nakuha lang yun. Pasa lang yan sa G sa ilalim. Connects 2 points. Less than a minute. 55 seconds. Atake 9. Drop pass. Steal. Breakaway ngayon 27. Easy 2 points. 38-27, double digit na lamang. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 38-30, atake 27, side step. No basket. Flop. Atake 11. Hinaharas kagad ng Ilano. Yun, just back-to-back 3 points. Pass break sa 27. Catch and shoot. No basket. Offensive rebound. And draws a foul. From jersey number 9. A push. 8.7 seconds. Penalty. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. 8.7 seconds. Walang binasket yan. Backs out pa rin ang White yan. Dying seconds. Aim for 3. Shoot. 3.6 seconds. Pass break na yan. Touch and shoot. Connects 3 points. Buzzer beater. 36-38. End of the first half.
Running time na.
back to the ball game, second half. Third period. Change goal, second half. Change goal. Next arrow possession natin para sa block. Alternating arrow. Okay, 28. Inward pass, deflected, steal. Pass break, bad pass, nakakuha ni Caperal. Interception all the way, Caperal. Denied. Nakakuha pa rin double size na ipit sa baseline. Kick out sa 28. Shot lock down to 14. On top of the key. Box out dyan. Para sa block. Aatari ngayon. Yaya. All the way. Pasa lang. Drop pass. And hesitate. Traveling violation. Turnover. Pumake siya ng ganon. Okay, 28, pass to Lapus. Orchestrating the play. Setting up. Pass to Capiral. On the right wing. Shoot. Outbound. Over para sa block. Atake 5. David. Pass to jersey number 26. Penetrate. Pasa sa double 7. On the left wing, umatake. And loses the ball. Turnover. Atake double 6. Pass to jersey number 28. Aim for 3 off the ring. Overshoot. Nakuha ni Caperal. Penetrate. And draws a foul. Foul. Jersey number 5. Handshake. With jersey number 5. First throw, in and out. Second throw. 1 out of 2. 39-36. 3-point lead wide. Yaya. Jersey number 16. Scouting the floor, surveying the floor. Nakita si Yaya sa baseline na atake. Dinopas lang niya, naipit. Fadeaway shot. Basket ng 5. 38-39. 1 point lead. White.